Hey everyone, so I am making pizza tonight. So we're going to go with the flour. And it has to have 3 cups of flour. One, two, well, I don't know. This is going to hurt. There we go. So we got 3 cups of flour right there. Right here. And then I'm going to put it in this bowl. What the heck? Let me see. Oh. Okay. We're going to put it in a bowl right here. 3 cups of flour. And it has to have a teaspoon of salt. So these, I love these. These are the magnetic measuring spoons. And I absolutely love these because they just stack together and you don't have to twist to get anything off. So there's that. And then look, you just pretty much put them back together like that. And you just stick them in a drawer like those. So this is a teaspoon of salt right there. Okay, we got that. And so 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So this is the tablespoon right here. And I got this too because, oh, I like this too. And then you can actually pour this in here. And look, it makes it easier and just step it back like that. And I'm pouring this in here like that. So that's good right there. And now I have to get 1 cup of warm water and then put my yeast in there. So I got my 1 cup of water. So now I just need to get my yeast in there. Go ahead and get this. And I'll cut this right here. And I'm going to do this quick. And just put that in there like that. And then we'll get this little, I'll just get the small one. And then I'll just mix it together right here. And just mix it up. And then you're just going to pour it in there like that. And then I always take a spoon and start stirring the flour and everything together. Right here. And I take this. And then once I get it all mixed up, then I stick my hands in it. And my hands are clean because I washed them. And then I just take it and bowl it up like this. And then just take this and just kind of mix it all together until it's all into a ball. And you just form it into a ball right here. I always get this flour, excess flour. And I just squeeze it. Oops. Squeeze it like that. Yeah. So I got that into a ball right there. So I'm going to let it rise for like 20 minutes. Okay, now it's ready. So all we have to do is take this off. And because this has holes in it, and I don't want the oil to get on my stove. So what I'll do is I'll take that and then I'll spray this pan with the oil. Just like that. and just spread it around. So let me go wash the oil off my hands. And then take this and drop it in there. And if I can bring it here so I can show it to you. Hold on one second. I'm going to get this handy dandy roller. This roller right here. And I just roll it in here. Right there. And I just roll it. And then I roll it. Right here. I'm just making a simple pepperoni pizza. That's all I'm making. Because I didn't want to do a supreme or anything like that. But anyway, yes, when my husband cooks, he makes a huge mess. And I get on to him all the time about making messes because he leaves it all for me to clean. And I am not cleaning every pan in my cabinets. And he has to use every pan. I don't know why a guy has to use every single pan. What is up with that? I'm like, dang, man. You only need like two bowls to make a pizza. Or one bowl and a pizza pan, and that's it. You don't need a whole pots and pans and everything out. No, 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 no. You don't need all that. I don't know, understand that. Never could understand that when we first got together. That's what he did. He dirtied up every dish, every pots and pans that we had, and I was like, oh no. And then he'll say, "Oh, get that later." No, you won't, because you'll leave it for me. So it's supposed to look like that. So what I do is I spray just a little bit of oil on here. And then I rub it in. And let me go ahead and wash my hands because I get this oil off. And then I take the pizza sauce and I just pour it on here like this. And then I just take a spoon and just go around like this and spread it around. I like mine saucy, so I spread it around like that. Spread it around. And there, have it that. And then I take my pepperonis. So I'm just going to cut this right here. And then I'll take my pepperonis and I'll go around my pan with it. And I put extra pepperoni on here just to kind of make it more meatier, I guess. And then we'll just keep going around. Make it go around like this. Go here. Put a little bit over there. A little bit over there. And then get this in here. Some more. Get over here. Right there. And then over. I like to get it all around the edges. And then put the rest of it in here. So I basically use a whole bag of pepperoni when I make my pizzas. So there's the pepperoni right there. And then I take my cheese. And then I put my cheese on top of it. Spread that around. And spread it completely around. I like to make it cheesy too. I like extra cheese. And right here, I'm going to go get another bag, and I'm just going to put a little bit more on there because I like extra. Here's that, and here's an extra bag that I bought, an extra bag just in case, so I can have it a little bit cheesier. My stepson probably will say something. You made it too cheesy. Well, oh well. Oh well. Eat it or don't eat it. I don't care. So that's as much cheese I'm going to put on it, but that's what it looks like. I do like this pan because it has the hose right there, and it actually cooks underneath. It can brown the bottom of it, and it don't take very long either. My husband, when I first got this pan, he's like, "That's gonna go all the way through." No, it's not. See, so he's like, "No, that'll flatten it out." And trust me, I've been cooking for years. It's not like I have a first time experience. I'm telling you, men think they know everything. So now I'm going to put this in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And then once it gets out, I'll show you what it looks like. Just give me 1 second. All right. So we're going to time it. And I'm going to put it for 25 minutes. Okay, I'm back. So this has been the uniqueness. So this is what my pizza looks like. And it looks good, huh? And see, the bottom of it gets really brown. So I'm just going to let this, and then we'll get our pizza cutter. Where's my pizza cutter? Right here. Yay. Yummy. I'm hungry. And then we'll just cut this like that. Oh, that cheese looks really good too. And then we'll just cut it. I'm going to do it this way. Cut it again. And then I'll go ahead and cut it right here. And I cut this right here. Yeah, looks so good. So I got my red peppers on here. Oops. Right here. Red peppers. So I'm going to take a bite of it. It's hot. Look at how cheesy it is. Look. That is cheesy. Hot. I don't want to burn my mouth. Ooh, no. That is crazy. Mmm. That is really good. Hot. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Look at that cheese. Mmm. Hold on. Homemade pizza is the best. Hope you guys had a great Wednesday. And then I will definitely talk to you soon.